Hey guys, this is Ryan with Cars Remember When, and I got a 55 Belair convertible here for you today. This is a really well done restoration. Convertibles are far and few between, and this is a really nice example. Gotta love the red and white two-tone. I'm gonna put the soft top down when I hop in. We had it down in the showroom. I think you get it out in the sun and those wrinkles should come right out, no problem at all, just because I had it down. But I wanted to show you how the windows fit. See how the windows fit really nice, and the top is in awesome shape. Same thing over here. Really nice fitment. Wrinkles in the top should go out when the sun hits it. Back window's in good shape. But I'm gonna hop in, put the top back down for you. Windows roll down nice and easy. Glass is in excellent shape. Lovely restored interior. Just shows awesome. So undo the latches. Then you have a top button down in here. This came equipped with the first year, the small block Chevy debut 260 V8. This has the 4-barrel carburetor on it with the optional 2-speed automatic Powerglide. Really nice stock setup there. Really smooth running engine, adequate power. Just sounds, everything about this is just so correct. Really nice car. So we do have horns, vacuum operated windshield wipers,
Network presented by the King of Sports,
AM radio.
Download the BetMGM app today.
Fan speed. Cables work really nice and easy. A lot of times those are all corroded and really hard to turn. These are nice. I hear the fan running. Got the lights on. You can see the bright indicator there and the Chevy logo. Let's see. Boot cover. Not gonna clip it on because I only got one hand, but you can see the frame is in very good shape also. Just gonna leave it kind of halfway on for now. And photo gallery. You can find pictures of it all the way on if you're curious to see what it looks like. Check out this engine bay. This is really well done. So there you have it. There's your 260 V8 engine, 4-barrel carburetor. You have factory style power steering driven by the generator. You have factory style power brakes. That's a truffle vac system. They work very well. Factory style oil filter canister on the top. Factory style oil bath air cleaner. And a reproduction original style Delco battery. That is not a cheap battery right there. This is the stuff on these that always is gone when you go to look at these. The air filter, the oil filter. I mean, a lot of this stuff gets changed out over the years for later model small block Chevys and you name it. This car is very, very correct under the hood. And listen to that engine purr. Got your dual horns. Awesome, awesome shape. Paint and body is an older paint job. This was an older restoration, but it's recently been cut and buffed and polished, and it just looks stunning. Awesome paint. Doors shut really nice. Super straight body. Do want to point out there is a small paint crack right here on the top there. Looks like it's probably been that way for quite some time. Same thing right here. Those are about the really two main imperfections that I can find. You know, a little touch up right there. But overall, in the paint and body, interior, engine bay, undercarriage is just in excellent condition. If you have any more questions, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com with about 80 plus high resolution pictures, including pictures of the undercarriage. And if you have any more questions, please give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Also, these tires are a bias ply white wall, which is correct when they were original. These tires are over 20 years old. They should really only be used for show. If you plan on driving this car, we recommend putting on a set of radials with a thinner white wall for driving. That would be ideal. But remember, if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to reach out. carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks.